Sarah here with Gypsyfae Creations, and I'm making some cupcakes today. The cupcake stock is low, as in I probably have none, so I thought it was time to make some more. I'm going to be doing some unicorn themed ones. So I've got my base oils and a little bit of kaolin clay and buttermilk powder in there. I'll mix that up and then I will pour in my titanium dioxide and lye water solution with some sodium lactate. All those fancy words. And this is just some soap batter from a previous soap I made. Not going to hurt anything. Just being lazy. And let's mix that up. So the inspiration for these cupcakes came from an Amazon purchase. These popped up in my suggestive purchases and it got me. They're little unicorn rings and I thought they would be really cute to put on top of a cupcake. Soapy cupcake thing. I don't know what I'm doing over here. Alright, so the bottom I'm going for rainbow. Maybe like a pastel rainbow. So I'm going to split my batter into two. And in one container, I'm going to put some, if I can get it open, come on, some sunshine yellow, which I think we're about to get a thunderstorm, if I'm not mistaken. Could use some sunshine right now, but it could also use some rain, so I'm not going to complain. There I go again, rhyming. And then in this other container, I've got some mermaid blue mica, and I'm going to put in that one. And we'll mix each one of those up. And the fragrance is called Snow Fairy. It is a Lush dupe. It's banana cream pie and lemon zest and some peach nectar. It's a very sweet fragrance, but it's delectable. Let's mix each one of them up. Looks good. So I'll scrape down each one of these, I'll add the fragrance to it, and then I'm going to pour it in my silicone cupcake liners, which I absolutely love these things. This is what they look like. Really easy to use, really affordable, really cute, and I'm sure they work great for cupcakes too. So let me get them together. So I started to pour some in each one of these and then I realized I wanted to do an in the pot swirl. So we'll see how that turns out. So it's like swirly. If it turns green, that's cool because that's still rainbowy colored. If that's a real word. And the top of them I'm going to do in pink and purple. And what I should have done was put each one of these on top of a cutting board so that I could tap them down. Now I'm going to have a little trouble doing that. But I will figure it out. I will prevail. Alright, so it's never too late. I'm just going to finish pouring each one of these and then I'll go get the icing together. This one will be extra mixed. Perfect. So I'll just have to even these out a little bit, but we're good. Alright, let's get a few of these iced. I was going for the color that you see here. The color on this icing is what I wanted for the bottom too. And I didn't quite get that. I wanted more of a pastel. But next time, I'm going to work a little harder at getting those colors. But it is what it is. So I have a purple and a pink. Half of the bag is iced pink, or colored pink, and half of it is colored purple. And I am just going to top each one of these, like so. Alright, so typically my videos come out on a Friday, but I am on vacation, so it is going to come out on a Thursday. And if I'm correct, it is also another Soaper's birthday that I wanted to wish a special happy birthday to. If you are watching me, you probably know who she is. She is Katie Carson over at Royalty Soaps, and she is a really talented soaper, and today is her birthday, so I just wanted to shout out to her, because if you're like me, you know who all the soapers are, because you binge watch all of them. Alright, so happy birthday, Katie! Everyone should go over there and say happy birthday to her. That's all. Okay, keep going here. Trying to concentrate. I need your guys' opinions. So Wholesale Supplies Plus had a sale, and it was a mystery sale. They were giving away, or not really giving away, but they were packaging thousands of items, and anything from scents to additives, the colors, the fragrances, I already said that, molds, all kinds of things. They were having a sale to where it was a surprise, and for $1.95 you could purchase a $5 valued item, and you have no idea what it is. And I love a good surprise, so yes, I went and bought about 13 of them. So I want to know, is that something that I should film, the unboxing of this order? Is that something you guys would be interested in seeing me do? Alright, now I'm just throwing some of these on here just to be done with it. You guys get the point. You even get to keep this little ring afterwards, super cute. And then I've got these sugar pearls that I'm going to throw some on. They are making a mess everywhere. I'm just going to roll around. Whoops, didn't mean to put it on that one. Find an easier way of getting these on here. These are just going to wash off. They just kind of a novelty thing. Super cute. And then I'm going to top each one off with some glitter. And I'll just keep going with that. So I will let these sit for, I don't know, probably 24 hours. They don't need to sit that long, but I will. I will let them sit that long, and then I'll come back and unmold them and show you guys what they look like when they're all done. Alright, so I've unmolded a few, and I just wanted to show you guys what they look like on the inside. Don't mind the phone. It's Friday, trying to make plans. Turn that on silent. Okay, so the inside of the cupcake is this marble look, and I love that. I just wasn't too happy with the color that it came out. Next go round, I'm going to probably lighten the color some, or choose some different colors, but it's still colorful, so I am still okay with that. If you guys are interested in buying these, they will be on the Etsy shop on August 15th. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section down below. I hope you guys have a very awesome weekend, and smell you later.